This light keeps blinking. See? There's problem with the electricity. Oh, see? It gets dark. It gets dark. It gets light. It gets dark. Oh. Oh my god. Don't die. I have a class.
Don't die. Yay. I'm kidding. Die. Oh god.
It's dying.
Dying.
Electric fan is off too. Oh, it's dark now. Oh no. Come on. Why? Why there's blackout? Because typhoon. There's typhoon, Liam.
Huh?
There's typhoon. There's typhoon. Hello. How are you? Oh, what happened? Wait, loading, okay. This one is kinda related to Halloween. Yes? Alright. Costume parties. Let's start with vocabulary. Exercise 1. Broom. Alright, a woman with magic powers but to do bad things. We call them witch. How about the one that use magic to do good things? What do you call them? Elf? Those are boys, man. We call them fairies. Right? Okay. Alright, next, creepy. Okay, so these are things, not only houses, things and houses that has kitchen, ghost. Do you know Annabelle? The doll? Ada? Yes, Annabelle has kitchen inside, right? So, the doll is haunted. Got it? Next.
Behind you. What is the video you It'll be behind you. You open the door.
Yeah.
The door, what is that? Oh, I see.
Plant.
Plant. Papa plant this.
Oh, this is so big.
Oh,
For
so big.
computer.
Broken computer.
Yeah.
Broken. Computer.
This is my phone.
Phone.
It's only one. It's 184.
184.
This is so expensive.
Look at the pen.
Too expensive.
Give me my balloon. So my There's a elephant. It's called paper. Elephant, monkey, a balloon.
This is one charger. I need another one. Where's another one?
This one.
No.
Why?
I ordered two.
Look for the big plant.
I ordered. Let me see my order. I ordered 2.
What's yours?
I ordered 2 chargers.
Georgia? What is that? Oh my god.
And you're still better than me, so. Oh yeah, they are good at remembering things, especially computer things. That's good. That means you're gonna be really, really good, expert with Excel. vlog for next week. And yeah, who are you? Who are you? What are you doing?
Sabi ko maliligo.
You shower na.
Come here.
Go shower. You look ugly and baho, oh.
Hey.
Go shower.
Sa tubig.
Are you scared of water? I can't hold my camera a long time with my left hand. It hurts. Because I got my first vaccine. I got Moderna, first dose, and wow, my face is so itchy. I will get the second shot November 15. Today is October 18. So yeah, I haven't eaten lunch yet. I have to eat. And a lot of people told me not to drink coffee, but I had coffee when I got home. OMG. I got injection. Did you see my injection?
Yeah.
It hurts.
Hot.
You wanna try? No. I hope there's no side effect tomorrow too. But yeah. Oh. Thumbnail.
Natin yung natutulog. Ay, nanonood natutulog. O, nagising ka! Ginising mo si Papa eh!
You want also injection? Bakit tao?
Epekto ng ano, bakuna.
You can feel Moderna. Are you sleepy? Papa is sleepy. Me too. I'm sleepy na. What? That's chocolate? Peppa, come here. Ugly, ugly baby. Ugly, ugly baby.